Do you want to add multiple videos on your Instagram? If you want to add more than one videos in a single reel on your Instagram, then you can do it. For that, just open your Instagram account. When you open your Instagram account, just click on this plus icon and scroll down. You can see here there are options: post, story, reels, and live. Just click on reel. When you click on reel, you can see at the top there are three options: recent, videos, and photos. Just click on videos first. Now your all videos will be visible in front of you. Now at the very right side there is option which is called multiple selector option. Just click on this option. When you click on this, now you can select more than one video. So just select two videos. When you select two videos, click on next. When you click on next, just click on edit video, and now you can see your both videos are in your timeline. Now you can edit these two videos, and after editing just go back and click on next. Now simply add your title tags and just simply click on share. So this is the way you can select multiple videos on your Instagram, then edit that videos and then upload on your Instagram reel.